Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both accounts. Sign into your PlayStation network on the PS4 and make sure Minecraft is updated. Once done, open Minecraft and choose Sign into Microsoft when prompted. You need your Microsoft credentials on hand. This step creates the bridge that enables crossplay, realms, and skin purchases. If two-step is enabled, have the authentication method ready. This first step is fast. Get both accounts active so the in-game sign-in can proceed without interruptions. Now you complete the actual sign-in flow inside Minecraft. You will see an 8-character code displayed after choosing sign-in. Write or memorize it. Next, on your phone or computer, go to the device sign-in prompt Microsoft requests and enter that code. This links the console session to your Microsoft account. Make sure you complete any additional consent or age verification prompts that appear. Once authenticated, Minecraft will update your profile, showing your Microsoft gamertag and enabling cross-platform features. Finish by checking that your Microsoft gamertag appears on the Minecraft title screen and test joining a realm or toggling skins. If you see errors, make sure the Ps4 clock is correct, your NAT type isn't overly strict, and you have a stable internet connection. Then retry the sign-in flow. If the code expires, simply repeat the on-screen procedure. For persistent authentication failures, remove the in-game linked account and redo the device code process, or contact platform support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.